Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a strawberry poppet. Let's start drawing. Let's draw a strawberry. Now let's divide this strawberry with lines like this. Finally, I draw little circles in all the lanes. Now time to color. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, blue, purple, green. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.